Have you ever wondered how some people seem to make money while they sleep? Welcome to the world of passive income and side hustles, where your earnings aren't limited to a 9-to-5 grind. Imagine the freedom and flexibility that comes with having multiple income streams. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating stories of successful individuals who've mastered the art of diversifying their income. From savvy investors to online entrepreneurs, get ready for an eye-opening journey. Stay tuned if you're interested in learning how to diversify your earnings. Meet John, a savvy investor who's made a fortune in the stock market. He's not a Wall Street whiz or a financial guru, just an everyday guy with an everyday job. But John has something that sets him apart. He's got a strategy, a game plan for financial independence that revolves around the power of passive income. John's secret weapon? Dividend stocks. These are shares in companies that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders like John. These payments, known as dividends, can provide a steady stream of income without the need to sell the stock. Think of it like owning a piece of a money-making machine that keeps churning out cash day after day, year after year. John didn't start with a mountain of cash. He started small, investing what he could spare from his paycheck each month. Over time, these small investments added up. Each dividend payment was reinvested back into the market, buying more shares, earning more dividends. This cycle, known as compounding, is like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing bigger and faster with each revolution. Balancing his regular job with his investing side hustle wasn't always easy, but John was committed. He prioritized his time, dedicating a few hours each week to research and manage his investments. He stayed informed, keeping a close eye on his portfolio and the broader market trends. He wasn't day trading or chasing hot tips. He was investing for the long haul, building a portfolio of reliable, dividend-paying stocks. John's story isn't about getting rich quick. It's about discipline, patience, and the power of compounding. It's about understanding the market, making informed decisions, and letting your money work for you. His journey proves that investing isn't just for the financial elite. It's accessible to anyone willing to learn, put in the time, and stay the course. John's story proves that you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to earn passive income through investing. Now let's look at Sarah, a real estate mogul with properties dotted across the country. Sarah's story is one of determination, strategic planning, and smart investments. Sarah's journey in real estate began with just a single property. She saved diligently, sacrificing short-term pleasures for long-term gains, and finally purchased a small, affordable apartment. She rented it out, and that was the beginning of her passive income journey. But Sarah didn't stop there. She used the income from her first property to finance another, and then another. With each new property, her passive income stream grew larger and more robust. It's a classic example of money making money, a principle at the heart of passive income. As her portfolio expanded, Sarah faced a new challenge: managing these properties. She had a full-time job after all, but rather than seeing this as a roadblock, Sarah saw it as an opportunity. She hired a property management company, ensuring that her tenants' needs were met, and her properties were well maintained. This allowed her to focus on her regular job, while her properties continued to generate income. Sarah's strategy was simple but effective. She focused on properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods, where rental demand would likely increase over time. She also ensured her properties were attractive to potential tenants by keeping them well-maintained and updated. This strategy paid off as her properties were seldom vacant and commanded competitive rental rates. Now Sarah's real estate empire spans across the country, providing her with a robust and reliable source of passive income. Her story is a testament to the power of real estate as a vehicle for passive income. It shows that with careful planning, strategic investment, and a little bit of patience, anyone can build a successful real estate portfolio. Sarah's success shows that real estate can be a lucrative source of passive income if managed correctly. Her story is not just about earning money, it's about financial freedom, independence, and the ability to create a life on her own terms. And that, at its core, is the true power of passive income. Our final case study is Mike, an entrepreneur who struck gold in the online world. Now let's delve into Mike's journey. Unlike our previous case studies, Mike didn't have a significant amount of capital to start with, nor was he interested in physical assets like real estate. Instead, he had a keen eye for digital opportunities and a relentless spirit. So, he ventured into the realm of e-commerce, building an online store from the ground up. Mike's e-commerce store didn't take off overnight. He spent countless hours researching products, studying his competition, and understanding his target market. Bit by bit, he built a catalog of products that resonated with his audience. One of the key factors in Mike's success was automation. As his store grew, he started to automate several aspects of his business. From customer service to order fulfillment, he employed digital tools to handle these tasks. This not only improved efficiency, but also allowed Mike to focus on strategic decisions and maintain his regular job. In essence, the store became a self-sustaining entity, requiring minimal input from Mike, while consistently generating revenue. This is the beauty of an online business. Once set up correctly, it can serve as a significant source of passive income. But remember, the journey wasn't a walk in the park. Mike had to face his fair share of challenges. He dealt with supplier issues, customer complaints, and even website crashes. Yet he persevered, learned from each setback, and improved his business operations. Despite the hurdles, Mike managed to balance his online business with his regular job. He devoted his evenings and weekends to his store, gradually reducing his active involvement as automation took over more tasks. His regular job provided financial security, while his online venture offered room for growth and an exciting entrepreneurial journey. Mike's story demonstrates the potential of the digital world as a source of passive income. It's a testament to the fact that with the right approach, determination, and the power of the internet, anyone can create a successful side hustle that grows into a substantial income stream. As we've seen, passive income and side hustles can provide a significant boost to your earnings. The stories of John, Sarah, and Mike illustrate this beautifully. John, the savvy investor, showed us that with careful planning and strategic investments, one can create a steady stream of income. On the other hand, Sarah, the real estate mogul, demonstrated that real estate, when done right, can be a lucrative avenue for generating passive income. Then we have Mike, the online entrepreneur who leveraged the power of the digital world to create a successful online business. His story is a testament to the potential of e-commerce and the opportunities it presents for those willing to take the plunge. While these are three distinct paths, they all have one thing in common: diversification. By diversifying their income sources, they've not only increased their earnings, but also safeguarded themselves against any financial downturns. So, what's stopping you from embarking on your journey to diversified earnings? There's a world of opportunities out there waiting for you to explore. You could invest in stocks, buy property, start a blog, create an online store, or even write a book. The possibilities are endless, and the best part, you can start today. Remember, the key to successful passive income is patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn. Start exploring your options today, and you too could join the ranks of those earning money while they sleep.